reason I had LASIK was I had glasses from 5th grade on, and I always had problems with my vision. I played a lot of sports. I'm really athletic, work out often, hike often, so it was just not conducive to my lifestyle at all, and I was ready for something different. I had had friends that had done it and had great experiences, so I thought I'd give it a shot. I figured at such a young age I deserved to have good eyes for the rest of my life. The reason I decided to have surgery with EyeHealth Northwest was a friend of mine, a very close friend of mine, had their LASIK done with EyeHealth Northwest, and he raved about it. He just gave me the phone number and told me to make a consultation. It was a shot in the dark. I had never really done much research, but he had such a great experience that I decided I couldn't really go wrong. It was great. The experience I had in pre-op and all the different consultations beforehand was really relaxed. It was really low-key. It was never stressful. There was never any discomfort or pain at all. They treated me like family. They took care of me. They were laughing, telling jokes, and they really wanted to make sure that the surgery was right for me. If it wasn't going to be right for me, they wouldn't have done it on me. And I think that was important. They didn't want to just do it because they could. They wanted to make sure it would work for me. So it was very extensive and really well done. My experience on the day of surgery was I was a little nervous in the morning. I had it early in the morning. But as soon as I came in and saw the faces of the people that I had seen the weeks before, it was immediately relaxed, and I wasn't afraid of anything. I knew that the doctors were taking care of me. I knew that I was in good hands. They gave me a Valium to help me relax a little bit, but they walked me through everything really, they were very informative, and so I wasn't nervous at all. It was great. I would tell a friend or family member who's considering this type of surgery that it's life-changing and it's not uncomfortable, it's not painful at all. It's just the opposite. I mean, it makes every minute of my day different. My eyes aren't tired at night. I don't have to decide if I'm wearing contacts or glasses during the day. It just takes those decisions away, that you just live like you had normal eyes the whole time. And anyone who's had eye problems knows how much it affects just your day-to-day stuff that you got to do. It's great. I did not experience any pain. There's like no way to go. I mean, there was absolutely no pain. It was fine. The LASIK has changed my day-to-day lifestyle immensely. I can see my clock when I get up in the morning. I can see my cell phone. I can see where I put my stuff. I don't have to try to feel where I put everything the night before. Working out is easier. Going outside is easier because if I get something in my eyes, I don't have to wonder if I'm going to have to take my contacts out. I don't have to deal with glasses. I mean, it's not a worry anymore. It just completely wipes that out of your life as an issue, completely. My vision before surgery was horrible. I was almost legally blind. It was illegal for me to drive without wearing corrective lenses because I was so blind. But now my vision is actually technically better than perfect. So I couldn't really ask for anything better. My experience at EyeHealth Northwest overall was everything I could have hoped for. It was perfect. It was fun. I didn't think it would be any fun, but I actually got to meet some really great people. I was taken care of like I was family, and I would never recommend anyone more than I would EyeHealth Northwest. It was the best decision I've ever made to come here and do what they did for me.